In fact, we have with us someone who is just so beautiful and so talented. Parvati Nair is here, ladies and gentlemen, live on Facebook. Please, Parvati. So, Parvati is here with us. How are you today, Parvati?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm very good, and you look lovely. So, tell us about who you're wearing.
Thank you. So do you. I love what you're wearing.
Thank you.
My whole look is by Akanksha, my stylist. Yeah.
Okay, great. And so we would like to ask you to blink towards the eye makeup because I want everyone to take a look at what I am getting to see here because it's just gorgeous. So can you just blink for us like a cutie pie? Oh, you're like one of those dolls that we can just twist and turn and make them blink. But as someone who
I
is...
feel like a doll today because the kind of makeup that is and the dress, I actually feel like a doll. So it's not really acting. I feel like one. I'm into the character.
But aren't you a doll every day? I mean, look at her. She's so pretty. But definitely, as someone who is not just restricted to one industry and is working in many industries, how important is an event like Saima to you?
I think Saima is amazing because this is one of the only functions where everybody's coming from a different place in a different industry on the same days in a different country. That makes it more fun.
Absolutely. And in fact, we're here in Abu Dhabi. You've mentioned that this is your hometown. So how special is that?
Very special because when I came to know Saima's in Abu Dhabi, I could not miss it, though I'm not getting any award or performing this time. But still, it was happening in Abu Dhabi, so I had to come.
So why don't we get a little performance here, ladies and gentlemen, all our Facebook?
A lot of performance.
No, of course not. They're live. So if you can just give us like a dhumka or something like that, all of us will be happy. Come on, we're live. We'll go Parvati, Parvati, Parvati. Thank you so much. You're so beautiful. And now that you already mentioned that Saima is something that brings all the four industries together, who did you get to catch up with this year and meet them?
So right from the time I came, I've been catching up with people and making new friends, which also happens every time. So far, so good. Every person I met, I think, bonded so well, right from the flight to the hotel. So yeah, looking forward to meeting everybody else, the usual Saima family.
Oh, that's great. So Saima is here in Abu Dhabi for the first time. So for a lot of our stars and celebrities, it's their first time in Abu Dhabi. But considering you are basically an Abu Dhabi girl, precisely 14 years, can you tell us what is that one thing that a person must do in Abu Dhabi and must not miss?
Well, see, Abu Dhabi is not like Dubai when it comes to, chilling or whatever, but the kind of, if you want, like if you just go to the beach or if you go anywhere, the kind of peaceful aura you get in Abu Dhabi, you'll never get anywhere else. That's what I can say. If you expect the kind of club hopping and, shopping, you get amazing shopping and everything here, but then it is not as fast as Dubai. But when it comes to peace and calmness and beautiful places and nice people, Abu Dhabi is the place.
Oh, so can we be peace and calm and also get good food from Parvati's house?
Everybody's invited home.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Good food, come home.
Yeah, even those who are watching on Facebook will post her address soon, I think. Don't worry. But thank you so much, Parvati. It's always a pleasure to speak to you.
Same here,
You look
same
lovely
here.
and hope you have a
Thank you
wonderful
so
Saima.
much.
Thank you.